Hey guys, we are back with another one. I am here to introduce you to West Kiss. Love your hair, kiss your beauty. Oh, put a B word on the end of that because that can't. Hair curly lace front wig. Now this is they say it's a glueless wig. We're gonna try her glueless and see what she come through with okay? So let's get into her. It comes in this cute little box, okay? You know, guys know we love some gifts. It comes with the West Kiss scarf. Everybody loves an edge scarf. I am loving how everybody is branding their edge scarves right now. It's super dope, okay? And wig caps, which we all love, an adjustable band as well, okay? So let's just get into her. I'm going to try her glueless, but I want to give her the best chance she can to live her life. So we might have to glue mama down. All right? So this is mother, fresh out the pack. Now we have her in 20 inches, okay? She is nice and curly. This is really beautiful hair. Feels nice to the touch. Now we have a, this is a brown, light brown lace, okay? We have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps for Wakanda Forever. I'm just going to take this one off. And let's just take a look at that part. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That is stunning. Okay, she does feel like she can kind of be worn glueless. This is her fresh out the pack, guys. So I'm just going to chop this lace off and let's get to her. Okay, this is her fresh out the pack, guys. Lace cut. Mother is coming through. I'm really happy with how she's turning out with nothing else. So what she looks very much you know, Randy Watson-esque. What movie is that from? What movie is Dirt from? Okay. All right, guys, let's get on into this. Now, this unit is the West Kiss Curly Wave unit. This is a 13x4 lace front wig, and she is 20 inches at 180% density, and mother is thick, okay? She really is coming through. So this unit with all that hair is going for just under $215. But don't you guys worry. I know she is a cute coin, but they do have a discount and an actual sale running on their site. So check them out if you want a couple coins off of this unit or any other unit on their site. Now, I'm just going through and just laying the edge just a bit, okay? Because I want it to look seamless, although we're not gluing her down. I want her to feel secure. I have a medium size cap, and I must say that this unit feels super snug. I didn't experience a lot of tangling or shedding. So we did not glue this baby down. She's definitely glueless. I'm still kind of feeling her like that. This is her nice and big. Look at that. What's up on in there? Good night. That was too much. So this unit is really beautiful and the hair feels amazing. Okay, I'm really it's so soft. Now this unit again is 20 inches. One of the things I love is that she's like perfectly cut almost, and I really kind of can appreciate that. While she's curled up, it doesn't look like there's any like dead ends or anything like that. I appreciate that. She's also super thick. I have her in 180% density, okay? And she is coming through with the come through. Now, this is more like, to me, like it says, it doesn't specify the curl, just says curly hair, but it feels like a water. I'm obsessed. What do West Kiss want from us, y'all? A kiss in the mouth? Now, this one is really, this hair is beautiful. I really can't get over that. Again, we have the light brown cap, but she really did take the concealer well, the contour palette well. Look, guys. I don't even know what to do anymore. Like, this unit is so fire. I just wanted to come through and show you guys that, one, this is what she looks like fresh out the pack. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come back with an update and get you together and style her all the way down. But I did want to come through and give you guys, like, fresh out the pizzac her, okay? Giving you full on scissor. That's what I want to get. Big, beautiful hair, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Good night. I'm obsessed with this. You know who I look like? Tyler Perry baby mama. Now, go ahead and Google her now, okay? Because she exists. Now, I am just going through, just so we can lay her down. Y'all know I love a side part when it comes to my curly hair. I don't want to really do anything else to this hair. I really need you guys to know that this unit is currently glueless. I did not do anything to this hair except for put her on and lay the edges. And she is ready to go. And I was nervous at first because I was nervous that she wasn't going to feel like she could be worn glueless. Because sometimes you get these units and they're super big head friendly, almost to the point where you kind of like got to cut it. And then you actually have to go in and lay the lace. But in this case, you do not. Good night. I am serving y'all up. Are y'all picking this up? I've been doing a lot of big hair, but this one, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna just turn around for you guys. And I have her in the color Natural Brown. So I'm just going to wet her up a bit, and then we're going to give her a more sleek look as well. Okay, so we're just going to just mousse her down a bit so we can see what she looks like. Nice and sleek and off the face. I love this big hair. I really do love how evenly she is cut. You're getting every bit of 20 inches. Okay, so I'm just going to use my Lotta Body mousse and just run on through her. I can't find my spray bottle, so I'm just going through with my Lotta Body mousse, and I'm just going to get this nice wet and wavy look going, okay? So we didn't have our spray bottle, but in retrospect, I definitely would have used the water with the little bit of conditioning mix because it probably would have made it a lot easier for me to maneuver this. I used a lot of mousse, and then I could have used less product in order to get those more defined curls. Now, I do love this unit, and even after being moussed, I didn't get any tangles or shedding. Guys, I did not glue her down at all, okay? They said that she can be worn glueless, and we tried it glueless, okay? I'm obsessed. I really have very little left to say about West Kiss hair. This hair is stunning. I love how it's so neatly and nicely cut at the bottoms. You don't get all of those nasty flyaways or anything like that. I really do enjoy that about this unit. You guys need to check them out. They're always running some kind of cute sale, okay? This unit is a little bit more expensive. She is going for $217. I know that's like, I know, y'all. I know I'm right there with you. But I would have to say, for 180% density at 20 inches, all this big, beautiful hair, she is worth it. You gotta have, what y'all wearing to the beach? It's not from Breeze. Some of y'all want to come through, give a nice little wet, sexy James Bond moment, right? When you come through with this one. So, I really don't have nothing else to say. Come on through, West Kiss. I have nothing else to say. If you have not already, bust down, subscribe to our channel, get into this hair, child. She looking like, is this mine? Is this mine? It's got to be mine. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.